Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Style with Carol. Thank you so much for staying tuned. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of shop with me, decorate, home videos, and clean with me videos. We are jumping right into the shop with me. We're at Big Lots right now, and we're taking a look at their Christmas 2020 collection. I am not sponsored by Big Lots in any way, but I just love shopping there for decoration and home decor items. Their prices are so very affordable, and they have a style for every type of person, whether you're doing glam, rustic, you name it. They really do have a thriving Christmas collection. I picked up this beautiful piece window sign, which I'll show you how I used, but going in the shop with me portion of the video, we're taking a glance down the various aisles to see all the different styles of Christmas decoration that Big Lots has to offer. Next year, I will definitely try to get out my Christmas shop with me videos out sooner, because I do know that during this time it is very difficult to find items in stock. The other day I went to Big Lots and it wasn't as nearly as full as what I see in my video or what you see in the video. So I do apologize if some of the items that you see here may not be in your Big Lots. With that being said, I do encourage you to shop online, or if you feel comfortable like I did, I also went to the store when it was less crowded during non-peak hours, just so I could feel a little bit safe while shopping. Check out all the gorgeous ornaments Big Lot has in so many different colors, and for some reason I always go for the sparkly items. I can't get enough of sparkly items, and I definitely do try to mix it up with a little bit of rustic here and there. I already have those advent calendars down in the bottom that you see. I purchased them last year, so I'm definitely going to be using that in my decoration. And here's a few more items. They definitely have plenty of tinsel garlands for days. I wish I picked this up at the time. How gorgeous are these trees? But maybe next time, because when I went back, as I've mentioned, they were all gone. And these are the garlands that you see, or wreaths, mixed with some garlands here and there as well. I really like the sparkly one. The only issue with the sparkly decorations is they always get everywhere. And here is the rustic style that I've mentioned. Big Lots still has a lot of these items in their section for the one that I went to. For some reason, I usually don't incorporate red, but this year I did decide to incorporate red here and there and try to really use the traditional red and green colors throughout this Christmas, sparsely throughout my home. However, for my formal living room, I am sticking with white, silver, gold colors, but we'll use green and red for my tablescape. I purchased 2 of these sparkly Christmas trees, and I just love the green and red. Especially the green this year has been a little bit, I feel like it's not as bright, but such a rich, elaborate, elegant green color. And I really love that. Now we're exploring a few of the outdoor Christmas decoration that Big Lot has to offer. This concludes our Big Lot adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get decorating. Starting off the decorating with the 2 Christmas trees found from Target. Does this peace sign look familiar to you? I purchased the window panels from Amazon, and I used the Big Lots purchase that you saw in the Shop With Me video for the arches, and I decided to use it on this instead because it comes with a wiring that you can easily take off and reuse on a different item. One thing that I would do differently, and I encourage you all, is to start with whatever centerpiece you want and add that first before adding your side pieces to it. That way it will make it easier to center them. I just had to add these two cute little penguins, although they didn't go with the color scheme, but I'm glad I did because it added a pop of color. It's a little bit of the only red that you really see, because the formal living area, I really wanted to keep it a little bit more silver toned, neutral, mixed with some golds and a lot of white, of course. I put these white sparkly stem leaf-like fillers in between wherever there were empty spaces as fillers, and I just tried to put it sporadically on the shelves to give it a little bit of a whimsical look and feel to the room. I do the same thing on the other side, basically add fillers in, and then we're also gonna add some more items as well. We're gonna add these fluffy snowballs for some fillers, and that was all my hubby's idea. He was like, why don't we add those snowballs that we purchased the other time? And they're originally for snowball fights, but I ended up using it as decoration. These are how they look, and they're going to be placed in between the shelves. Also, wherever I feel like needs a little bit more added level of texture, and also places that I feel are very empty, trying to just create more dimensions within the shelves, give it more of a fun, cozy feel to it. This is how the packet looks. As I was mentioning, it was meant for an indoor snowball fight, but clearly was repurposed for my own wishes and uses. Lastly, it's decision time on the peace sign, where I wanted it, whether it was in the middle or on top, and I ended up putting it in the middle. So you all, we finally have our shelves done. They're behind me right now, and now we're gonna get the couch ready for Christmas with some decorative, festive Christmas pillows. So stay tuned for the final look. I can't wait. I used my regular pillows that came with the sofa and then kept the middle empty, and then adding now some Christmas pillows to give it a Christmas vibe. You might have seen the Baby It's Cold Outside in my master bedroom Christmas makeover, but now I'm using it here in my living room. Finally, we are decorating the coffee table. I added this wooden stand to draw the focus for your eyes, and adding these two Christmas trees. I wanted the main focus in the middle. Originally, I had the Santa Claus in the middle, but after looking around and playing with what works, definitely encourage you to do so as well. I found that the Santa Claus looked better elsewhere, and rearranged it with this lighted Christmas tree. And the interior decorating rule is anytime you have three like type items, it makes a big difference. And like the one in the middle can be kind of the outshining one, while the two are, you can either have it identical or different, but anytime you pair three, it works perfectly. How divine are these pearls? Comment down below and let me know what space that you've started decorating for Christmas already. I would love to know. Here's an overview of how the formal living room has looked and transformed into this wonderful Winter Wonderland space that we've created. And I can't thank you enough for watching. Special thanks to my subscribers who have been there from day one, as you know, of my videos and sort of main focal point has changed, so I appreciate you staying with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, marvelous day. And baby, it's cold outside, so make sure to stay warm. I'm running a Christmas marathon now through Christmas Day, the 25th of December. So I'll be making a lot more Christmas videos, so stay tuned. And I wish you a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, everyone. Stay safe. By the way, I got this home sweet home item from Target that I love. Thank you so very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family. Love you all. Until next time.